Hello, everybody. So remember, I tried to copy another master clay artist, Fiona Abel Smith, and it was a fail, but it was not a fail because you're looking at right now the beautiful canes that I got from that fail. So I don't count it even as a fail because I love what happened so much. And I probably will try to do that again so I can come out with the same cane. But I'm just going to use a little bit of my scrap clay. I got a lot of pieces out of this cane that I made, and I have a lot of it left. I'm going to make a ring. I'm going to make some earrings. I'm going to make some connectors, maybe for a necklace or something I can use in the future out of this whole thing. I love the ring. I'm also going to make another bracelet, but I'm going to show that on another video because it was just getting too long. And you guys have seen me make that bracelet over and over again, but this one came out so cute, so I still want to show it to you, but like I said, in another video. So I am not going to talk this whole video through. I'm going to put up some messages about what I'm doing throughout this video, but not really talk through it with a voiceover. I just want y'all to watch the beautiful things that came out of this cane. And if you have any questions, you know I love to talk to you guys in the comment section. I always respond. Lately it's been taking me a day or two, but I always respond to all my comments. I love talking to you. So I hope you enjoy watching. And again, questions in the comments. Let me know how you like what I made. And if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it so much. Y'all have a good day. Love ya.